Yes, Jonai Rosta के चैनल ने finally delete
Hello guys, kumusta po yung YouTube channel sa pa guys sila nalung ano video ng bumabal kita ko guys at video ng kamang harapan ng green ka duna kampang subscribe button ng pakilig bilang nga ano video ng kadula guys already Jonai roster channel is already delete and then Jonai roster is was saying that let's listen
ना public ना पूरा बहुत दुख पाए से strike भी नाम देना आई पर दुख पा दूं किंतु माने वो ब्लूमो request रूम आता है रे मन
कोई बात नहीं हम तो चूतिए हैं दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे और क्या बहस और कोई काम है हम पे
guys I think you all are already listening that Jonai Rosales was saying and then brother you asked to him so that please give back my channel one like that ask and you request to him also that give back my channel one request to them so that please give back my channel one and guys I mean and you don't think that don't tell like that I will not request to him I will tell him give back my channel I am not say and I will not request so that one don't think that one so you have to request to him so please give back my channel one like that you request and I think he will give back so please you request them to give back my channel one and I mean that Jonai Rosales is saying that I will not request him my channel is delete also and not give also it's okay no problem saying so guys not like that you request to them and then guys junior Dinesh Kaman Kai is was saying so guys let's listen that one
lupoyo amnang request pamna but troy desin moguka kintu nai mani mang mane otokke aru dike roster ka troy desin ganulo roster re dike roster no sin muluk cinema soitum gotike no local kankete dike Jonai roster ma ajoko no amna to iman bur korar pasot মোক মাবম সুনা বিৰো সিনেমা দক টিম গুটে টিম অকল এটা সিনেমা দ অকল মগমাং দেখ তানিয়ে ৰিলেটেড লা দক ডাইৰেক্টৰ দক আদি কৰি স্ক্ৰিপ্ট ৰাইটাৰ দক আদি কৰি প্ৰডিউসাৰ দক আদি কৰি আৰ্টিষ্ট দক আদি কৰি আপটু দে ৰিলেটেড লা দক বুলুঙম লুকাং নক মানে দায়িত্ব সিনেমা দ মানে নক লেগাং আদম পিদুং নম লুতে লা এনে কথা নক আদম লুঙাবলা গটিকে মোক মাইন্ডসেট ডিপ্ৰেছন লা তা মই কি কৰো step eta loiso mane ngok cinema ngok kodok ngok YouTube channel dok kasin video dam remove la dakko godike mo adam eta just eta bung warning bro adam pio ngok channel sok ngonom remove dunku nama pak mane de first strike de
and I think guys already listening there junior Dinesh Kaman Kai so guys he was saying that and then guys junior Dinesh Kaman Kai is saying to him that requesting so don't rush like that in my film many people are there only not I am saying like this like the requesting and then guys he is requesting saying and then other YouTubers also saying like that Ross also have to guys respect so like that saying and then guys junior Dinesh Kaman Kai is saying to him they're requesting and then if that junior Dinesh Kaman Kai that requesting one if Jonai Rosales listening then will not give strike and then if that if Jonai Rosales also if his request listening they will not give and then guys I think you like that and then guys we cannot say that Jonai Rosales is not good and then junior Dinesh Kaman Kai is not good like that we cannot say guys. And then guys my video is only this much and please look to nice miss like comment subscribe and give one don't forget bye bye guys and guys here subscribe and don't forget and then guys bell icon giving also don't forget so guys like this only I am new video one I am bring to give so guys for now bye bye.